Hello everyone, this is Joyce, Kwon, and Jiyul, and today we will be discussing the concept of music-evoked autobiographical memory. Ready to dive in? Have you ever listened to a song and suddenly found yourself transported back to a specific moment in your past? Maybe you remembered the people you were with, the place, or even exactly how you felt at that time. In cognitive science, this phenomenon is known as music-evoked autobiographical memory, or MEAM for short. In today's video, we'll explore how music triggers these deeply personal memories, and what makes these memories so vivid and powerful from a distinctly cognitive science perspective. So, what is MEAM? First, human memory is often divided into two broad categories: declarative and non-declarative. MEAM belongs to the declarative category. It refers to personal, autobiographical memories that are triggered by music. It's the kind of memory where a song instantly brings back questions like, who was I with when I heard this? Or, how did I feel at the time? In short, MEAM is memory rooted in experience. Now, how is MEAM formed? Emotionally meaningful or familiar music acts as a cue that links memory and emotion. Music has the ability, a unique one, to rapidly stimulate our emotional state. When this happens, the amygdala, a small almond-shaped brain structure responsible for processing emotion, becomes active and assigns emotional value to the music. The stronger the emotional reaction, the more likely a memory will be recalled. If the music is tied to a specific past experience, the hippocampus, which is crucial for memory and learning, is activated. This helps bring back episodic memories that include time, place, and context. Then comes self-referential processing, where the memory becomes linked to your sense of self, essentially forming the recognition that this was my experience. Finally, the emotional context of the memory influences how clearly and vividly it is remembered. As you can see, MEAM involves a complex sequence of processes, from auditory cue to emotional activation, memory retrieval, self-referential processing, and lastly, emotional tone integration. So, under what conditions does MEAM tend to occur most often? It's most likely to be triggered by music that is emotionally touching, familiar, and intentionally chosen by the listener. In contrast, music heard passively, like from a radio or in a store, rarely leads to MEAM. In other words, the key ingredients for MEAM are emotional intensity, familiarity, and active listening. So, what types of memories does music typically bring to mind? In a study by the Janata research team, American college students were played 30 popular songs from when they were between 7 and 19 years old. They were asked what memories these songs brought up, and surprisingly, similar themes emerged across responses. Memories of dancing with friends, listening to music in the car, or spending time with a romantic partner. These memories were often associated with positive emotions, like joy and a sense of youthfulness. The stronger the emotion, the more vividly the memory was recalled. As you've seen, MEAM isn't just about remembering something. It's a rich cognitive process infused with emotion and personal meaning. Because of these properties, MEAM is being explored today as a therapeutic tool for conditions like dementia or depression, helping to restore emotional and cognitive engagement. It's fascinating to think that the memories brought back by music aren't just glimpses of the past, but a way of reconnecting your past self to who you are now. Maybe the songs you used to love are still holding on to a version of you that you thought you'd forgotten. Thank you for watching. We hope this video offered a fresh perspective on how you experience the music you love as it certainly did for us.